Alright folks, here's a simple method for creating a spherical array in FreeCAD 1.1 using the nodes workbench. This method is mathematically precise in that they're relatively evenly spaced, or as much as they can be. And you can use a sphere as the base object or whatever, but the um, the spheres will be, or objects that you place will be evenly spaced. Alright, so we're going to create a new document. We're going to go into the part workbench and create a geodesic sphere, or you can use any object as long as it has vertices. Triangle, pyramids, any of them. Icosahedrons, dodecahedrons, octahedrons. But in this case, a geodesic sphere works fine. So we're going to go into the nodes workbench. Give that a second to load. Nodes is an add-on you can get in the tools toolbar, add-on manager. If you don't have it already, it's more a little bit more powerful way of modeling. There's a new, you can click new file, new graph, new node graph. Okay, on the left hand side, we're going to start by bringing in an object, which in this case is called geodesic underscore sphere. Now we want we're going to need shape content in a second, but we also need object data. Okay, and now we need a vector from vertex to tell it where to place the spheres or other objects. You can use cones or whatever. And then we need a visualizer. Let's use CViewer for this case. And we need to tell it what radius to make the spheres that we place. So we'll go into number, we'll feed it a number. I'll use a slider. See if I can make these a little bit more spaced. Now, feed it a number, and in this case we'll just use 10, which will be our dividend. And there we go. I'll make the max 50 and the minimum 1 on the slider. Connect the object, the shape, the vertexes, the point, just connecting all these up, and boom, you have it. There's our array. Now you can change the size of them using a slider. If you want a grape-like cluster of grapes-like consistency, or however big you want them, or you can just feed it a raw number without using the slider. This was a little bit more fun and interactive. The only caveat here is that you need to copy this CViewer object in, for example, the part workbench. Just create a simple copy. That way, when you close, because this object will go away when you close the node graph. But that's it. You can take your copy and union it with the sphere, or union it with a spherical sphere, or do whatever you want to with it from here. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.